Are you looking for the electric pressure washer? In this video, we will show the 5 best electric pressure washer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 5. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer. 2500 max PSI, 1.76 max GPM with anti-tipping technology. Onboard soap tank, pro-style steel wand, 5-nozzle set for cars, fences, driveways, home, patios. Brand, Westinghouse. Power source, AC. Color, black. Item weight, 21 pounds. Hose length, 25 feet. Tank volume, 20 fluid ounces. Maximum flow rate, 1.76 gallons per minute. Delivers 2500 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM at lowest pressure, and 2000 rated PSI and 1.2 rated GPM of water flow. Pro-style steel extendable 17.5-inch wand with quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and soap applicator. Super compact and lightweight at 16.5 inches tall and 19 pounds for convenient storage and portability. 4 quick-lock wheels with 360-degree steering design and low center of gravity engineered for anti-tipping design. Easy coil nylon braided 25-foot hose. 20-ounce onboard soap tank to add detergents or chemicals for heavy-duty cleaning power on decks, driveways, garage floors, stairs, fencing, patio furniture, and vehicles. Pump automatically stops when trigger is not engaged to conserve energy and promote pump and motor life. Number 4. The LWQ Pressure Washer is a compact and versatile cleaning tool designed for everyday home use. Its portable design makes it easy to move around the yard or store when not in use. The washer delivers strong water pressure, helping remove dirt, mud, and grime from cars, fences, patios, and driveways efficiently. With 4 quick connect nozzles included, switching spray patterns is fast and simple, allowing better control for different cleaning tasks. Setup is straightforward, even for beginners, and the machine runs smoothly without excessive noise. The build quality feels solid for a lightweight unit, making it suitable for regular household cleaning. Overall, the LWQ pressure washer offers good performance, convenience, and flexibility, making it a practical choice for homeowners looking for an affordable and easy-to-use power washing solution. Number 3. The LWQ pressure washer is a handy and efficient solution for everyday outdoor cleaning tasks. Its portable and lightweight design makes it easy to move around the yard, garage, or driveway without hassle. Despite its compact size, it delivers strong water pressure that effectively removes dirt, mud, and grime from cars, fences, patios, and driveways. The 4 quick connect nozzles are a great addition, allowing you to switch spray patterns quickly based on the job, from gentle rinsing to tougher cleaning. Setup is simple and user-friendly, even for first-time users. The washer operates smoothly and feels well-built for regular home use. Overall, the LWQ pressure washer offers solid performance, convenience, and versatility, making it a practical and affordable choice for homeowners who want reliable cleaning power. Number 2. The Teslong Portable Electric Pressure Washer is a versatile and convenient cleaning solution for outdoor and on-the-go use. Its cordless, foldable design makes it easy to carry and store, perfect for camping trips, gardening, or small cleaning tasks around the home. The built-in 12-liter tank and included 10-liter water storage bag provide flexibility when no water source is nearby. The 4-in-1 nozzle allows quick switching between spray modes, making it suitable for gentle pet grooming, plant watering, or light-duty cleaning. Type-C charging adds modern convenience and fast recharging. Despite its compact size, the washer delivers reliable pressure for everyday needs. Overall, this portable power washer is practical, user-friendly, and ideal for users who value mobility, simplicity, and multi-purpose functionality in a compact cleaning tool. Number 1. The Westinghouse WPX 3000E electric pressure washer delivers powerful and reliable performance for a wide range of home cleaning tasks. With up to 3,000 psi and 1.76 GPM, It easily removes dirt and grime from cars, fences, driveways, patios, and home exteriors. The induction motor runs smoothly and quietly while offering long-lasting durability. An onboard soap tank adds convenience for deep cleaning jobs, and the included spray gun and wand feel comfortable and well-balanced. The 5-nozzle set provides excellent versatility, allowing quick changes for different surfaces and pressure needs. The unit is easy to set up and maneuver, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Overall, the WPX 3000E combines strong cleaning power, thoughtful features, and solid build quality for dependable everyday use.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.